Hello and welcome to Ocean Time. I'm Pippa and today we're going to have a look at a cabin. Hi, it's Pippa from Ocean Time and I'm starting my cabin tour backwards. That's what I do now. So I am in 8500 at the front of the ship. Not a round porthole, but a rectangle, which is fine. We have one chair. This is a spacious ocean view, which gives you so much space there. But it would be nice to have two chairs, but I am cruising by myself. So we have storage up above, extra stuff if needed. We have the safe, we have drawers, we have the TV, drawers again, we have hair dryer, I got cookies and water, we have the fridge, hack. Hello, you put the ice in, it makes it colder. You're welcome. We have our plugs, European. There we go. And safety hooks. I don't know what I'm doing with yet. We have the classic bathroom. Yeah, it's the same pretty much on every ship now. So, hi. That is, oh, I haven't shown you this side, just hanging space. So, and you have your temperature. Oh, no, I locked myself in. But this is my cabin. Oh, you scared me. That's all right. Any questions about the cabin, write it down below. If you've stayed in this cabin or you're booked to go in this cabin, let me know. Alrighty, you can go see other videos right now. Check out Ocean Time. Thanks for being on board and see you later.